Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad.
What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage, and taking a look at a brief vehicle that could be a possibility. Something that's a simple rebuild as far as replace the hood, maybe even fill it in and straighten it out, replace the headlight. You know, you could probably even fix that on that side. And this is an MKS. Basically, it's a Ford Taurus that they turned into a Lincoln. I know some of them from Lincoln's gonna be like, no, it's not like that. Now the airbag did deploy. That's a pain in the ass. Me personally, I don't like airbags, so I don't fix them anyway. And if they're not inspecting my joint, I don't care. I know the comments are gonna be like, you have to fix the airbag. If I'm selling it, yeah, I gotta fix the airbag. If it's for me, I'm not fixing nothing. All right, so it is what it is. Just taking a brief look at it. You got the warranty guide. All the paperwork was there with the vehicle. The owner's manual. Interior looked really clean. It's not beat up. The seats weren't cracked. I mean, for the most part, for what you're getting with the car, it was in pretty good condition. I don't know. That was me. I thought the MKS was a pretty good deal. What do you guys think about that? The rest of the video today, we got a little work that we had to get done to the Envoy XUV. So we got some brake work done, and I'm gonna introduce you guys to somebody here, and somebody you might see on the channel, and we may be pushing their own channel as they move forward, working on some pretty unique stuff.
So you said they went through here through the side?
Yeah, they went through the side. I think, yeah. Oh, shit. Can you see it from here? Not really, huh?
Yeah, it's there.
I don't know what they, I mean, they had it lifted up, but I know they removed this to get up in, to get to the starter, because the starter is right on the other side of that exhaust manifold.
There's the brake pads right there.
That's what's up.
These guys are from Pep Boys.
Sweet. Damn, that shit is quick.
Oh man. This is what we paint. If you need any help with that, man, let me know.
Definitely. Well, I'm gonna.
There's also a guy on there that is.
I got that piece of shit here again. But anyways, we just had to get brakes done on it. Probably gonna have to do calipers and rotors at some point on this thing. But brakes on it because it was grinding. It's done. I gotta introduce y'all to somebody. You go follow an Instagram page. My man's is not fucking around. He's doing shit like this. So I'm gonna hand the camera off to him. Let him tell you where he can find you, and then go subscribe.
What's going on, everybody? My name's Emerson. I started this business in the beginning of 2018, this same year, out of a box container, and here I am now. This is what we're running right now. Putting Porsche transmissions in, a little bit of Nissan work, all the good stuff.
Let's do this. This is a Boxster?
Yeah, so we got a Boxster over here. We're changing the rear main seal on it and slapping the transmission back in.
Damn.
There's really no warranty on this. The customer brought his own, so.
Uh-oh.
But over here, we have a little Nissan.
Got a classic.
A little salt.
Okay, so see, he works on everything, man.
Yeah.
He works on everything.
We do it all around here.
That's what's up. Well, I told y'all.
Baby of the shop right here.
That's the baby? That's a beast right there.
Twin turbo.
Ooh! I told y'all that I was moving the base of operations into Charlotte, so you guys will probably see more around. I'm gonna be bringing some of the vehicles through here too. So pay attention, you know, stay tuned. If y'all have questions, comments, like I said, make sure to go follow my man's channel. Go follow the Instagram thing, all that good shit. Make that happen. And You pulling up the page?
Yeah, let me pull up one page.
There we go. There we go. So let me get this in. All right, so we got Emerson._.GDR. All right, see it right there?
The shop.
And then the shop page.
Just got the shop page started.
Is automotive_of_Charlotte. Go follow both of those pages immediately. Make it happen. Like I said, I literally came in here. Every other place in town, I was trying to get my brakes just done so we can get this thing done. I got to tow the GT350. So I needed to get the brakes done. This shit was grinding, and he was able to get brakes, pads, whatever, and stuff here in like 15 minutes. And like 15 minutes later, the truck is done. So, like I said, definitely co-sign it. You can see it's not some Mickey Mouse operation in here working on Porsches and shit. So, like I said, go check it out. Stay tuned. Let me know. Videos on the GT350 coming soon, guys.